Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Luna stem in Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Luna stem looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can get the Luna stem seed. If you want to get the seed guys, you can join the treasure digging mini game. You can go to the shop and you can click on dig now, and you can dig treasure right here guys, and you will have chance to get the Luna stem. I got the Luna stem seed from this treasure digging event. Okay, and I'm going to show you how the Luna stem looks like in my garden. And yeah, this is the Luna stem, and yeah, it's pretty guys. It's like a flower, and I'm going to show you the basic value, or the base value I mean. I'm going to show you how much this is worth without the mutation. Oh wow, the base value is around 100k shekels, and I think it's really worth to keep it in your garden guys, and it's beautiful. Okay guys, and that's all about the Luna stem in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!